Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be disassembling this CLS55 that we got from the auction. This is going to be our donor car for all the parts we need on the CLS55. And we're also going to be doing a little bit of an upgrade because this car is from the 2011 year, and because of that it's going to have updated parts such as the taillights and the front bumper, rear bumper, interior parts as well. So you're not going to want to miss this retro modded SL55. Stay tuned.
Open the hood.
Ooh, this front bumper has been through it. This front bumper has been through it. So is this fender. Has its cats. Oh my god, that's horrible. Dude. Oh, this thing blew. This engine blew. All that oil down there. Ugh. So the car is on coilovers. It's not on air, which is interesting. The wire, you said the wire was hanging? I don't see it. Can you show me?
You don't see that? Watch, these tires are really in bad shape. Here. What is this?
Oh, interesting. All right, W211 coilover setup. Who wants it? Damn.
Watch your hand.
Oh. The rear bumper is in good shape. The headlights are in good shape. The front bumper is in good shape. So here is our donor car up close. We went ahead and inspected everything last night before we raised up, before we put the car up in the air. And a couple things that we noticed was the rear bumper is in pretty much good shape. Those rear taillights are also in good shape. The door handles, we're going to be taking those off. Mirrors are in good shape. The only thing that really came off weird was the condition of the front bumper, which looks to be damaged over here, but that's not really going to be a problem because we can go ahead and fix that up. And that's about it. Everything else seems pretty much fine, aside from the wear and tear that this thing suffered sitting outside for the past 7 to 8 years under a tree. So our goal is to basically try to get as much out of this as possible. Try to make our money back. We got this car for a very, very low price, and if you take out the rear bumper and the front bumper, that's basically going to add up to how much we got this car. So everything else is going to be profit, and then when we're done taking apart all of the stuff we want, we're just going to junk it and try to make some money off the scrap metal. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is taking apart this under panel area. It's missing on our 55, so this will be one of the donations this car will be making for our 55. We need an 8mm socket to take these bolts off, and then from there we'll go. So yeah, something definitely lived in here for a long time. They definitely had a lease agreement with the landlord. So we took off all the panels. Panels were full of acorns and poop and all sorts of other nasty stuff so you would find rodents living in. And now looking at this, some of it looks very wet, so I'm pretty sure something exploded in here. I don't know what do you think exploded?
The engine looks good on this side. On that side it looks still good. It's the leak coming from the top, whatever it is. What is this? Okay. The starter is in good shape. I don't think there's anything damaged on the engine itself. The motor mounts collapsed and the engine is sitting on top of the crankcase, on the bottom of the crankcase.
Wonderful.
Maybe this engine is still in good shape, who knows.
Okay, what do you want to do next?
Okay, we need to remove these bolts for me. I'm gonna give you these and those.
Taking out the exhaust.
I want to take the exhaust, the catalytic converters first.
Okay. You guys want to look at this? Look at, they put all sorts of nuts on this. There's two of them right here, one right here, There looks like 3 of them over here and another one right here. How? That's crazy. Anyway, that's gonna be fun taking out. And just like that, the final screw is stuck on here. But yeah, they used about 18 different methods of tightening the exhaust down. Can you take this out? Do it the right way. Use one thing for everything. Not 7 different freaking types of heads, and you need to end up having that many tools to take out 2 stupid clamps for an exhaust. Just lifted up the jack to support the resonators over here. Now we're gonna go ahead and take out these cats. We're gonna see if we can use these cats for the 55. I don't think they'll work, but if they do work, we can pass smog, and that'll be great because the cats, as you saw in the video when we inspected it, it was just in like horrible condition. The car did sit for, I don't know how many years, 80 years? 80 years. Penetrating fluid. Are they breaking? Wow. Hear that, guys? WD-40 works. Oh, you want to put on a set of long tubes on here. That's what it is. Hold on.
So
is it?
Be careful.
Am I seeing that correctly? Do you see this?
Yeah, it's leaking a little bit.
That's
so
the oil.
Put a washer in it.
Wow. Do you think these will work?
I don't know. If it doesn't work, that's fine too. What is the size of engine? Make sure. This needs to be.
That is nasty. There's no space. There's no space for this one. I got it.
What's the matter? You get something. When you put something under.
Putting it right here? No? Wait.
Okay.
Well, it's not gonna fall. There's no way it's gonna fall.
Okay, we're almost done.
I need the wrench. Isn't it clipped up somewhere up here?
Yeah. Let me take this one off first.
It's clipped. It's hanging.
Then let's hold the muffler coming. Hold the muffler, I'm gonna open it.
Okay. You got it?
Yeah. Put it down. Let it go, let it go.
And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and continue dismantling the CLS550. We're going to get a little bit more insight on how the inner workings work, so when it comes time to repairing up the CLS55, we will know what to do. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.